Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well and safe. So this video is about Karnataka CET 2021, where the exam date's been again announced. That means it's been postponed. Okay, and for that, what I thought of doing is I analyzed the paper 2019 and 2020 question paper. Okay, so by analyzing those two paper, so let us go with the analysis, like how many questions can appear from each chapter in your 2021. So dear students, you have to concentrate on one point, that this time for your Karnataka CET, the syllabus again got reduced. Like whatever the syllabus that you have for the theory will be same for the Karnataka CET. Okay, so what happens here, you just guess, where I could say for example, metallurgy topic is deleted, right? So that is principle and process of isolation of elements, that part is deleted. So obviously, the weightage of that chapter will be added to other chapter. Okay, that is how you had to analyze and you had to read it. Okay, similarly, the entire polymer chapter is deleted, dear students, right? So around how many questions have appeared in the previous year, that weightage will be added to some other topic. So you had to concentrate. So let us go with that in details. Now I'll go with each chapter. So this is the analysis of 2019 and 2020. It's like, I could say, a rough analysis. Okay, so now see here, in case of 2019, from some basic concept of chemistry, okay, there was not a question have appeared, but in 2020 around 2 questions have appeared. Okay, so what you can imagine here is, from 2000, when you compare 2019 and 2020, so in 2021 there is a chance of getting around 1 to 2 question for sure, right? Yes. Now come to the next topic, that is structure of atom. So 2019 there was a 1 question, and in 2020 there is an 1 question. So obviously you will get a question definitely from structure of atom. Okay, it's must, the question will appear definitely. 1 question, a minimum, will definitely appear. So chapter number 3, that is classification of elements in the periodicity in properties. Okay, actually it's a very important topic. Okay, so in 2019 you got a 1 question, where in 2020, as I analyzed, okay, so there was no question, but definitely there is a question for your 2021 paper. Okay, maybe a 1 question might appear. So chemical bonding and the molecular structure, very important topic, dear students. The question will definitely appear on the hybridization, on the structure, and on the bond order. Okay, these are like some very important concept. Okay, so in the 2019 there was 2 questions, in 2020 there was 3 questions. So definitely what I think, minimum 3 questions will definitely appear this year from that topic. And actually redox reaction, there were was no question. So dear students, what I could say here, so here I have given as there is no questions have been asked for 2019 and 20, but this redox reaction is quite related to the electrochemistry, right? So whatever things will going to happen, the phenomena or the mechanism is redox reaction only in case of electrochemistry. So what I say here is, so from the electrochemistry topic, it is around 2019 4 questions and 25 questions, dear students. Just see the weightage over here. So that includes even the redox reaction. Okay, by combining the redox reaction and the electrochemistry, around 4 to 5 questions have appeared, dear students. Okay, so club both redox and electrochemistry. Even when you are reading these two, okay, you had to read together. Okay, redox reaction will be the basic for electrochemistry. Okay, fine. So around 4 to 5 questions means, by including the redox reaction, dear students, along with the electrochemistry, I'm going to write here only that minimum 5 questions or 4 to 5 questions will definitely appear this year. Okay, yes, I hope it is clear. Now come to states of matter, okay, liquid and gases. So one question was there from 2019 and 2020. There was like no question. So there is a chance of getting at least one question this year as well. So thermodynamics, one question, 2019, 2020, one question. So actually thermodynamics is an important topic. So I could say 1 to 2 question will definitely appear from thermodynamics. And in equilibrium, dear students, 2019 there were 3 questions, and 2020 there was like 1 question. So what I suggest, definitely the question will appear around 2 to 3 questions from equilibrium. So it includes ionic equilibrium as well, that is like a pH Anderson equation, like that. Okay, so it's a very important topic. So compulsory more questions will appear from this part. Okay, now you could combine hydrogen and S block elements together here. Okay, from the topic hydrogen, there was like in 2019 one question, like 2 questions have appeared. There was no question in 2020. Okay, where from S block elements, like 1 question on each year they have asked. So by combining hydrogen, the S block elements, there is like 2 questions will definitely appear this time. Okay, now come to P block elements. So dear students, P block elements including first PU as well as the second PU. That means what? From group 13 to 18, the entire P block elements. Okay, the questions on like in 2019 3, and for 2020 they have asked 5 questions. Okay, so definitely there is a chance of getting 5 questions even this year, including both first and the second PU P block elements. Okay, that is entire P block elements, and mark it as important. This is very important. Now organic chemistry, basic principles and techniques. So where you're going to get a inductive effect, mesomeric effect. Okay, those like the basic GOC, like general organic chemistry, what you're going to get. Okay, so in 2019 1 question was there, in 2020 2 questions. So definitely 2 questions more than that also can appear this time. Okay, from the hydrocarbon, in 2019 2 questions were there, and 2020 1 question. And like this year, yes, definitely you may get 2 questions from this one. So solid state, dear students, very important topic. Okay, each year they have asked 3 questions. Okay, and this time also there is a chance of getting 3 questions. Okay, yes, now come to solution topic. It's 3 questions in 2019 and 2 questions in 2020, and definitely around 3 questions will appear from solution chapter. So as I told already about the electrochemistry. Okay, now chemical kinetics, at another very important topic. 3 questions each year. So definitely you may get 3 questions or even more than that questions, like more than 3 questions can also appear this year, because some topics have deleted already. So surface chemistry, 2 questions in 2019 and 1 question in 2020, and there is a chance of getting 2 questions. So metallurgy, okay, 2 questions in 2019, 3 questions in 2020. So dear students, so these 2 or maximum 3 questions, or the weightage, I could say 3 marks will be added to other topic. Okay, so you have to concentrate on other topic very much. So metallurgy, so no questions, but these marks will be added to other topics. Okay, like even they may ask you extra question from D and F block elements this time. Okay, this weight can be added to a D and F block element. So in 2019 there were 3 questions, and in 2020 there were 2 questions. So maybe around 3 to 4 questions will appear this time. Coordination compound, definitely 3 questions, like each year they've asked. Even this time you may get maximum 4 questions. It's because the weightage of a metallurgy need to be added to some other topic. Okay, now the remaining topics are, so you could see here, haloalkanes, haloarenes, 3 questions 2019, 2 questions from 2020. So there is a chance of asking around 2 to 3 questions, 2 questions from haloalkanes, haloarenes. So dear students, what happens in case of organic chemistry, that the one topic is related to another topic. Okay, so when they give a reaction, it will be like a clubbed one. Okay, so it includes the product of haloalkanes, halogens from the reactant alcohol phenols, like that. Okay, so you can't tell whether from which topic the question is from. So as of my analysis, from haloalkanes, halogens, this was like a weightage, and for 2021 maybe. Okay, 2 questions. From alcohol, phenols and ether, very important topic, 2 questions. Okay, and 3 questions in 2020 and 3 questions definitely from like for your 2021. So aldehyde ketones and the carboxylic acid, in your theory exam, its weightage has increased. So obviously even for your Karnataka CET, the aldehyde ketones and the carboxylic acid weightage will increase. Means in 2019 4 questions were there, in 2020 2 questions. So what I suggest, definitely around 4 questions or even more than 4 questions will definitely appear this year. So amines 2 questions and 3 questions in 2020. So around 3 questions will appear from amines. Okay, it's simply my analysis that I am giving. Okay, so but these two, like 2019 and 2020, I have analyzed the paper and I am giving. Okay, so biomolecules, where a lot of a part been deleted in biomolecules. Okay, so in 2019 there were 3 questions, in 2020 there were 3 questions. Yeah, there may be a chance of asking 3 questions again. Okay, where the entire polymer topic is deleted, so maybe this marks will be added, or the whatever the 2 questions that been like in the previous year they've asked from polymer, so instead of that one they may ask from aldehyde ketones and the carboxylic acid, like that. Okay, even the chemistry in everyday life, 1 or 2 questions have appeared in 2019 and 20. So this time, since the topic is deleted, no question, so this marks will be added to some other topic, like from the amines they may ask extra question. Okay, even the environmental chemistry, the topic is deleted. Okay, so no questions will appear, so this marks may also be added to some other organic chapters. So like extra other than that, salt analysis, so based on this one question have appeared in 2019 as well as in 2020. So this time it may, like you may get a question like around 2 questions from this topic. Okay, so this is what I have analyzed by taking a 2019 and 2020 paper, and such by analyzing these two, you can guess, even yourself can guess, so how many questions may this time appear from all this topic. Okay, I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much.